Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you have a 2015 through a 2017 Ford F-150 with a 2.7 liter and you got an oil leak, I'm going to show you this TSB. And you may have to change your valve covers too if you don't have the new updated valve covers. So let's go on over into the computer and we're going to check it out. Alright, 2015 through 2017 F-150. This is TSB number 24-2098. If you got an oil leak, says some 15 through 17 F-150 vehicles equipped with a 2.7 EcoBoost may exhibit oil leak from the oil pan RTV seal. This may be due to various concerns with the oil pan. To correct the condition, follow the service procedure to replace the oil pan with the later style oil pan. And the reason this is because the original replacement is not available. So here is all the part numbers. If you need to pause it, you can. But I told you the valve cover, you want to be looking at this. If your valve cover does not have these little raised up blockage looking things that says inspect the valve cover design around the ignition coil. Does the coil location have the extended plastic protective ribbing as shown in red? If yours has that, then you're just going to replace the oil pan. If yours does not have that, you're going to replace the valve covers and the oil pan. So let me go back. There is all the part numbers. Like I said, if you need to pause that, you can. Alright, so if you have the 2.7 liter, you got the leak in the oil pan. It's caused by the RTV sealant that is around the oil pan. The original oil pan is not available, so they have the updated part number for you. Inspect your valve covers to make sure it has that updated ribby, humpy looking thing on there. If it doesn't, you need to replace your valve covers as well. I did give you the parts list, so if you need to pause it, go back to get the parts list. So if your valve covers do have those little protective ribs on them, then you're just going to replace the oil pan. If they don't, you're going to replace both valve covers and the oil pan. So there's your update for the 2.7 liter 2015 through 17 F-150.